Hey you guys, welcome from Germany and welcome to Lily's Cupcakery. Christmas is around the corner, and if there are two things that Germans love, it's first of all Kaffee and Kuchen around 4 o'clock, that's coffee and cake, and the second thing we love is alcohol. So today I want to show you a version of the baked apple, Bratapfel. We're going to make a cake out of it, and also I would like to share the recipe for Glühwein with you. For the ingredients, you need flour, pumpkin spice, baking powder, marzipan, 2 medium eggs, then we have vanilla extract, white sugar, chopped almonds, and softened butter. So now that I've shown you all the ingredients, the first thing we have to do is take all the dry ingredients and place them into a bowl and make sure that you combine them. Okay, so now that we've done that, we have to take our butter, and it has to be softened, and you mix it with the vanilla, eggs, and sugar until it is light and fluffy. Now we have to place the dry ingredients into the big bowl and mix it again until you have a nice batter. And now we get to the marzipan, which you have to rip into little chunks, and then you just gently fold it in.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
And now we get to the Springform, and I'm gonna put the exact measurements down in my descriptions again for you. You just butter and flour it, and then you pour the batter in there, and then you're gonna take your almonds and you just sprinkle them on top of the batter.
From now on, your troubles will be miles away.
And now you bake it at 350 degrees for around about 20 minutes. While our cake is in the oven and baking, we get to the apple filling, and I have here my deutsche Äpfel, and you have to peel them and dice them. And then you take a pot and you put in the flour, you let it brown a little, and then you add the apple juice and the butter. Then as the next step, you add the 2 sugars that we have, you squeeze in some lemon, and now go in the diced apples. And the last thing you're gonna add are the spices. Stir it a little and just let it cook, and then you take it off the stove and let it cool off completely. And last but not least, we get to our topping, for which I use something you don't have in the States. It's quark. Unfortunately, you can't purchase it over there, but you can just substitute it with sour cream. That is no problem at all. In our first step, we're gonna whip the cream, and I'm gonna put some cream stabilizer in it just to make it nice and firm. And while the cream is whipping, we add the sugar and the vanilla extract, or in my case, I'm using vanilla paste, which is already sugared, to the quark. You just stir it until you have a nice texture. And after that, you're gonna fold in gently your whipped cream. Now, what I love about Christmas in Germany are our beautiful Christmas markets. And once you approach one, the first thing you smell is the really delicious Glühwein. It's a red wine punch, and it has all kinds of fruity and spicy flavors. And all we have to do for it is place all the ingredients in a big pot and let it cook for 30 minutes, and then you serve it hot, and it's amazing. And that is it already. That is your Bratapfelkuchen and Glühwein. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you're gonna make this at home for your family around Christmas. If so, then don't forget to take a picture of it so I can see it and post it with the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery. I'm sure your result is gonna look amazing. And now you can find all my recipes always under the videos in my description, or on my website, or on Instagram. I'll see you for the next English video. Take care and have a wonderful Christmas. Bye bye.